So tonight I'm doing a wonderful workshop in the gratitude tent, and it's going to focus on sharing the power of the unconscious mind. I'm Jennifer Fogarty, soul strategist, and I am a master trainer and coach of Neuro-Linguistic Programming, timeline therapy and hypnosis. Anything in your life you unconsciously create, either good, bad or indifferent. So my favourite part about what I do is being able to be at the empowerment side of the equation in your life, where you can actually learn in simple, quick and easy tools how to reprogram your thoughts, how to reprogram your emotions. I can honestly say that I got to a point in my life where I hit absolute rock bottom. I thought there must be something else, and NLP was calling me. I sat in the client chair and I used the tools and techniques to create change to my own life. So that then allowed me to pave the way and share that gift with other people as well.